Hey friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Ocedar EasyWring RinseClean Mop. This video is inspired by your comments on the full review video of this Ocedar mop that I did some months ago. Check it out here. I will also put the link to the video and where you can buy the mop in the description box below. This Ocedar RinseClean Mop is a bit different from the previous model. This blue tank where you put clean water and product does not come apart for easy access to the inside. Rather, it only has a small opening here, this cap. So because of that, it does require cleaning after each use to avoid bad smell, mildew, or mold growing inside the clean water tank. These were some of the concerns that a number of you friends had in the comments. So in order to avoid these issues, here's what you want to do. After using the mop, discard the dirty and clean water from both buckets. Now rinse off the main bucket that collects dirty water. Place it upside down so it can air dry completely, or to speed up the drying time, you can immediately wipe it off with a towel like I did here. Moving on to the blue tank, after you discard the clean water, assuming you still have some, thoroughly rinse it out until all the leftover cleaning product is gone. Also, less is more, so when you're cleaning your floors, do not put a lot of product because if it forms, it will take longer to rinse it out. This is very important, y'all. When you're done cleaning the blue tank bucket, leave the cap and red lever open. This will allow the bucket to air dry faster before putting it away and therefore avoid mildew and mold from growing because they thrive where there is moisture. If for some reason you have never cleaned the two buckets at all and they are very dirty, no worries, I understand. You can go ahead and use a sponge and dish soap to deep clean the buckets and rinse afterwards. Now that the buckets are all clean, let's work on the mop head. This one is easy. Just remove the mop head from the handle like this and toss it in the washing machine and wash using warm water. For your information, do not use bleach because it will damage the fibers on the mop, and also do not use fabric softener because it removes the static cling that makes the microfiber work effectively. After the wash, lay the mop flat on a surface and let it air dry. That's it. Easy peasy, right? You can try this at home. My job is done here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.